everyone, my name is Navi. I'm one of the nurse injectors here at RejuvenationMD, and today I want to talk to you about fillers versus a PDO thread lift. So fillers traditionally are a hyaluronic acid material that work to help areas where we have lost volume and also can help to lift. So occasionally if somebody's complaining about their, let's say their nasolabial folds, these deep smile lines, sometimes the best treatment for these is actually put volume back up here in the cheek to help lift that area. However, on the other hand of that, we also have PDO threads, and PDO threads are a suture material. It stands for polydioxanone, and these threads get placed in the tissue to lift the tissue. So we call them our non-surgical facelift. Both of these are really beautiful to, like I said, lift the tissue, but they can also be used in unison. So it's hard to tell if you would be a better candidate for filler versus PDO without doing an assessment. So some patients need to lift up tissue with PDO threads and then maybe do some volume replacement with filler. Some who do a PDO thread lift might not actually end up needing filler because the PDO threads are helping to reposition our fat pads, that collagen, and give a really lovely natural lift. So if you would like to find out if you would be a good candidate for either PDO threads, fillers, or both, you can find us online at RejuvenationMDmedspa.com.